In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Robux gift card code. Now, the first thing that you will need to do here is to open roblox.com on your browser. Now, redeeming codes on Roblox is only possible if you do it on the browser version of Roblox. Now, on the browser version, go ahead and sign into your account and click on the top left corner of your screen. Now, go ahead and click on the gift cards and this will redirect you into this section. In this section, you can buy gift cards and redeem gift cards by clicking on the redeem button at the top right corner of your screen. So just go ahead and click on the redeem card button and this will redirect you into this page. Now in this page, just go ahead and enter the code that you've got from the gift card that you've bought or gift card that someone bought for you. Make sure to check the expiry date of the gift cards before you enter the code in this area. Make sure to check your entered code to ensure that the code is correct and can be claimed on the platform. Once you have entered the code, just go ahead and click on the redeem button and you'll be able to redeem your Robux or whichever reward that the gift card has to your account. And that's how you can simply redeem Robux gift card code. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.